Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please excuse my voice, still not better. Excuse me. But yeah, so I have a mic, guys, because I know a lot of you guys say you can't hear me on my videos, so I really hope that you can now and hope it's a lot easier. I'm going to be switching the mic off when I am using this because it will be way too loud because it is vibrating. Will just disrupt the noise. I'm just going to tell you the points that I'm going to use it on and the benefits of it. Then I will use it in front of you guys. Okay, so what this is supposed to be good for is anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, acne scarring, and even acne itself. And it's supposed to help reduce stress by releasing things in certain pressure points and draining water and puffiness through your lymph nodes, and it's fantastic for that. I mean, I just received this and I don't know how it works. I don't know if it's going to be anything dramatic for my puffiness on my face. I don't know. I just seen that some people say it does, and maybe over a period of time it will actually do that. Okay, so if you have like congested nose, have a bit of a congested nose, it's best to put it here on vibration for about 30 seconds here and here. Yeah, and if you have puffiness under your eyes, you've got 3 pressure points here, here, and here, and then here, 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 and then here, here, here too for puffiness and relaxing. And here, as you know, it's called, some people might know, this is like the third eye area. It's quite good for draining again. Here and here are good for stress points, so anti-stress points. So if you massage this, it will feel nice. But when you've got this on, I wouldn't recommend putting it on vibrate in this section. Just simply massaging it up in those places can help reduce anxiety and relax. You can take this on the go. It's so compact. It comes in a little velvety pouch, so you can put it in there. I would recommend cleaning it after you use it with some kind of antibacterial spray, or antiseptic spray, or even hand sanitizer just to clean it, because obviously you put it on your face and you're storing it away. You don't want to be spreading germs, especially if you suffer from acne. Mine's cleared up now, but again, my skin will still be sensitive and it can spread any kind of contamination that you might have on your skin. I have freshly moisturized because I was about to do the video and I tried a little section on dry skin and it kind of just got stuck, so it's best to have your skin moisturized when using it. Okay, again, if you've got puffy eyes or decongestion, it's best to put it up this way through your lymph nodes after you've done the 3 pressure points under your eyebrows, and it will drain down your lymph here. And then you can do it here, especially if you want those high cheekbones because your face is puffy, like mine is right now in the morning. And then they will drain down there. You can use on your neck. I feel like I have this line here on my neck, so maybe that'll reduce. And again, it's about draining it. So you want to go down on this side, but I understand if you want to anti-wrinkle, you'll go up. So yeah, I'll probably just use it all over my face to give me that kind of thinner looking face. So let's look at my face now. Okay, let's switch this on and start using it. Okay, so I've plugged the mic out. It's still on me, but it's still plugged in. It's not plugged in anyway, sorry. So I'm going to use this, I'm going to switch it on. So you have to kind of screw it like it feels like it's coming undone and it vibrates. I don't think that there's any difference in the vibrations, like there's not a low setting or high setting. It just says on and off. It does say on and off without the shine. So yeah, let's just get to it. So I'm going to start with this section because I'm feeling a bit groggy. switched off right now. Just plugged the mic back in for a second. I can see a slight difference, especially in this area, because obviously I just did that side, did the both eyes, but I did mainly this side here. Didn't do this side, did that. You can use this on vibrate for a second up here, but don't do it for too long because it might irritate you too much. Sorry, I keep looking at myself rather than at you guys, but I'm just trying to look at the difference. I see a slight difference between these two sides. I do feel like that looks up, but puffier. This feels like it's a bit down. So I feel like I'm going to go up with this, and I don't think it gives you some kind of instant results. Like this does look brighter, doesn't it? This side looks a lot brighter than this side. I don't know why, but it does. Yeah, so I'm going to carry on. Do this side a little bit more, then I'm going to go to that side. I'm going to carry on, switch this on. So that's all done. I do feel like there's been a difference. I do feel like it's kind of slimmed down my face. But again, this is for anti-wrinkle, anti-aging, anti-acne type stuff going on. So I do feel like my skin's actually brightened up. It is supposed to brighten your skin up because the vibrations are kind of waking up your skin, helping the blood rush to the face and revitalise. That is the whole point of it. Do I think it's worth buying? I think it's a bit of a novelty, to be honest, but I do think using this over the long run, it might actually help reduce my acne scarring, because maybe blood will be rushing to my face because I can't do any derma rolling yet, and I can't do any cosmetic kind of laser or anything to my skin or my body because of my acne, of course, and I had Accutane, so I can't use any of those things. So this might be the step for the next 6 months in helping reducing the scarring, making blood come up and kind of seal those holes that are in my face. Yeah, so I do feel like it's brighter. I think if I'm looking for something directly for acne while I'm on Accutane, definitely buy this, because I bought this for about £5 or £6. It wasn't that expensive. I think other sites are selling it for £20, saying it's cheap. This might be like a knockoff version, but I don't see how this is going to be any different because it's the same situation, vibration and a metal wand on your face. It's quite cooling, quite nice. Don't think there's going to be a difference really with the pricing, because it's not chemicals going on your skin. It's just literally a bar vibrating on your face. So cheap or not, expensive or not, you know, up to you guys, but I will link the one I bought in the description box below. If you're looking for something that's anti-aging, anti-stress, I think this is wonderful. Yeah, definitely, like I said, I wouldn't pay more than £10 for it. Okay, guys, honestly, I think it's worth it if you are trying to brighten your skin and stuff like that. But if you're going to spend 20, 30, 40 pounds, it's not going to be worth it. And it is supposed to be anti-age, so I'm going to be using it on my eye area a bit more so that it's kind of anti-crow's feet. Yeah, okay, so what you can do now, guys, I will just get my antibacterial spray. Okay, so I can't find the antibacterial spray I wanted to use, but like I said, hand sanitizer will do just fine. This is a mango one. It really smells really nice. It doesn't smell too sweet. It smells pretty nice. I'm literally going to put that on a cotton pad, or you can even just put it on some tissue, and I'm just going to wipe this whole area because obviously it was on my skin and I don't want it to irritate it. And yeah, looks nice and clean now. I'm going to focus. Well, it looks clean anyway. So yeah, I'm just gonna pop that back into its nice little velvet wallet so you can take it on the go with you. That's quite nice. And I've still kept the box because I think it's fancy. It opens like that. That lives in there. That's what mine says, energy bar. So in the title will be whatever I decide to call it after looking at numerous reviews and what have they called it. Thank you for watching. If you haven't been a subscriber before, definitely subscribe to my channel. I've got lots on my skin and I will be putting out more things on my skin and what I'm trying out now that I'm off Accutane and now that my acne is cleared. So we're doing a lot about that and doing makeup reviews in general. Then also I'm going to be actually posting weekly every 2 weeks. I'm going to try and do that for you guys, so please stay tuned. Please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment on what you think about the Gold Bar. Have you got it? Have you tried it? Would you like to try it? Let me know in the comment box below. Okay guys, so I have a new Instagram that is based on my YouTube channel. Okay, I have another Instagram that's more photography. It's not really that personal, but I made a personal Instagram account, so it's going to be more of my face, my hair, my YouTube, my skin, my products, all that jazz. It's gonna go over there on that Instagram channel, yeah, Instagram page even. So because it looks quite empty and quite new, I am going to be following the first 250 people who follow me. Okay, if you are from YouTube, please comment on my pictures, on my posting, I'm from YouTube, and if you say I'm from YouTube, I will follow you. First 250 people from my YouTube, I will follow you guys back on my Instagram. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you soon. Bye.